Hello guys, quick update on my project Blueberry LLM from my Open Superintelligence lab, where we do all of this on Discord, by the way, not here, here. So I added this massive GPU support. So this project by NVIDIA Megatron LM, this is used to train like billion trillion parameter models on thousands of GPUs. So I added that to our LLM here. The goal of our LLM is for anybody to be able to download this and to just train on their GPU setup. So this LLM will automatically detect what GPUs, how many, what kind of GPUs, architecture, and then just automatically have the best possible training. So any company, anybody can train this. So it's like spreading the power of AI, democratizing AI. And I spent a lot of time doing that today. I have a lot of commits. You can see here issues. If you come here or on Discord, you can see like some research projects. So for example, 4D parallelism, this is engineering project. I implemented this one, Megatron LM. Picotron is just for learning. It's smaller. I think it's slower as well. And then you can check these projects. You can come up with new research. You can write your research paper. You can practice engineering. And you can contribute here. So check the code, download this. I think if you just like run these commands, it should automatically train. What I have in plan next, I'm not sure. I need to like do more research, optimize, do more engineering. So you can contribute, just fork the repository, create a branch, and then create a pull request from your fork back to this. We need to also test like if this is all working. I was testing this Megatron LM a lot, but there is a lot more to test as well. But I think it works now. You can choose between. Actually, I just recommend using the native, the without. So don't use this. Use Megatron. Don't use this. This is just maybe for a lot of GPUs and it's still not so well tested. So just use this part or this. And I think that's gonna be it for this video. Contribute to this LLM. We're gonna make everybody be able to train LLMs. I wanna make it so good that OpenAI and xAI or Anthropic just use our code to train their LLMs. That's how good I want this to be. And there is a lot more of us and we can do it. So that's gonna be it for this video, and check out other videos or join Discord, and see you in the next one. See you tomorrow.